My name is Sreni. I am from 5-year ACE at AIMD Memorial College of Engineering and Technology. Today, as a part of HACKATHON 2025, I am here with a problem statement of building an embedded real-time patient medicine dispenser and the emergency alerts using the ESP32 microcontroller. The main theme of this film is many elder people and many people now in a situation of emerging technologies. Elder people are unable to take their dosage and medicines in time as per the medications prescribed, and to overcome such a problem, we have discovered this project as real-time medicine dispenser for using the microcontroller ESP32, and this can help us the people for using medicines as a in-time medicine description. And in this, we are going to build a prototype for this with a medicine dispenser as per the time medications and in times. And in this project, we will include sensors and LEDs and buzzers which can make the alerts to a particular authority of people, or particular the caretakers or the family people, and as well as the remote doctors to include the notifications and the emergency alerts which can notify them and save the health of a particular person in a particular time with our wishes. And we can make sure that health is an important factor on the present environment, and this can be helpful in taking the medications in time for the medical health balancing. And we include the LEDs and we include the LCD display for displaying whether the particular person or particular patient has taken the medicine or not. And this can help using the ESP32 cam. It can take a photograph or a patient has taken a medicine or may not. If the particular patient is not taken a medicine, it can notify as an emergency alert, and as well as it can measure the by using the sensor the body's temperature and the heartbeat and the blood pressure, as well as all the levels which have to be included. And if their limits are exceeded than the safe limit, they can notify the emergency alert, and the patient health can be secure, and this can help in the real time. And this project has built for real time monitoring and as well as the advancement. These are built based on the IoT applications.